Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're taking a ride through the top 5 four-wheel drive ATVs released for 2025 and 2026. Each of these powerful machines is built for performance, versatility, and rugged terrain, whether you're working hard or playing even harder. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Kawasaki Brute Force 300. Under the hood, it features a 271 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with an electric start, offering smooth and responsive performance. It uses a fully automatic CVT transmission with HI and LO ranges, as well as reverse, making operation effortless in any condition. With a towing capacity of 500 pounds and dual cargo racks that hold up to 110 pounds combined, the Brute Force 300 handles hauling with ease. Its independent double wishbone front suspension and swing-arm rear shock provide steady control, while dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Large protective floorboards, a multifunction display, and nimble steering make it a great balance between utility and recreation, all wrapped in a durable, sporty design. Number 4. Honda Rubicon 700. It's powered by a 675 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine that sits low thanks to its semi-dry sump design, improving balance and ground clearance. The Rubicon 700 features a 3-speed automatic transmission with a hydraulic torque converter, giving you seamless shifts without belts or clutches. Selectable 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive modes, along with a torque biasing front differential, ensure traction even in mud, snow, or rocky paths. Suspension comes via independent double wishbones, front and rear for maximum stability, complemented by 26-inch off-road tires. A clear instrument screen with a tachometer, LED headlights, and an 848-pound towing capacity make the Rubicon ready for both serious work and weekend adventures. Number 3. Can-Am Outlander XTP 1000R. The Can-Am Outlander XTP 1000R stands out with its incredible 101 horsepower Rotax, 999 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, and smart throttle control. This ATV features a P-Drive CVT transmission and selectable 2WD, 4WD, or locked 4WD with Visco 4-lock differential for maximum traction. With tri-mode dynamic power steering and intelligent engine braking, riders can choose between work, standard, and sport driving modes to match the terrain. Its arched double A-arm suspension with Fox Podium QS3 shocks provides up to 12 inches of travel, ensuring a smooth, controlled ride even on the toughest trails. The XTP also includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, a 3,500-pound winch, full skid plate protection, and beadlock wheels wrapped in XPS Trail King tires. Number 2. Yamaha Kodiak 700 EPS. It runs on a 686 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled SOHC engine with Yamaha fuel injection, delivering strong low-end torque. The Ultramatic V-belt transmission with engine braking and on-command 3-way locking differential lets you easily switch between 2-wheel drive, limited slip 4-wheel drive, and full 4-wheel drive. The Kodiak 700 EPS features independent double wishbone suspension with over 9 inches of rear travel, providing superior comfort and traction. With dual hydraulic front discs, a wet rear brake, and a 10.8-inch ground clearance, it's engineered for control and confidence. Other highlights include a digital meter display, electric power steering, and a 10-year V-belt warranty, all part of Yamaha's commitment to reliability and performance. Number 1. Polaris Sportsman XP 1000S 2-Up. It's driven by an 89 horsepower ProStar 952 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine with liquid cooling and on-demand true AWD. The reinforced chassis uses 31% larger frame tubing, supporting a massive towing capacity of 1,750 pounds and a rack load of 500 pounds. With Walker Evans shocks, 14 inches of rear suspension travel, and 14.5 inches of ground clearance, this ATV conquers any terrain with ease. It includes LED lighting, a 3,500-pound winch, and a 7-inch ride command display featuring GPS, group tracking, and messaging for ultimate connectivity. The Sportsman XP 1000S 2-Up blends comfort and capability for solo or two-person rides, making it one of the most advanced four-wheel drive ATVs of its generation. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. Which of these incredible ATVs caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest 2025 and 2026 outdoor machines. Stay tuned and keep riding strong.